Good morning, students. Let's do the exercise of the poem The Fox and the Grapes. I hope you have read the poem well and understood that. So let's do exercise today. In exercise, the first sentence. The fox was feeling faint. Faint means weak, as we have discussed in the poem. The fox was feeling faint because what will come? It was summer and the fox was hungry. Okay, what will come here? It was summer and the fox was feeling hungry. Okay, let's repeat. The fox was feeling faint because it was summer and the fox was hungry. Clear? Let's do the next. While passing through an orchard, he spotted a bunch of grapes. Okay, so what is the answer of second? While passing through an orchard, he spotted a bunch of grapes. Third one, he tried to get at. He tried to get at it by. He tried to get at it means he tried to get the grapes. Okay, at it is used here for grapes. He tried to get at it by jumping, but always missed it. You know it very well that he tried to catch the grapes, but he was not able. He was unable. He jumped high and high, but he could not reach the grapes. Okay, the fourth one, he wiped out his tearful eyes because he didn't get the grapes. What will be the answer? He didn't get the grapes. He wiped his tearful eyes because he didn't get the grapes. Okay? Finally, he decided to what? Finally, he decided to pluck the grapes. Okay? Finally, he decided to pluck the grapes. Next, sixth, he comforted himself with the thought that as the fox did not get grapes, so he comforted himself, consoled himself. And what he thought? He comforted himself with the thought that the grapes were sour, or one more line he spoke, and that was that he was going to have lunch in an hour's time. So anyone can be answer here. He comforted himself with the thought that he was going to have lunch in an hour's time, or the grapes were sour, or the both can be correct. If you write one, that will be also correct, the other one, that will also be correct, and if you write both, that will be correct. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Now come to the next. The next is choose the answer closest in the meaning to the phrases given below. Okay, what does the fox mean when he says that results were much the same? What does it mean? Results were, he was jumping again and again to take the grapes, but every time he was failed. So, what was the result? Results were much the same. This is a phrase. What is the meaning of this phrase here in this chapter? The meaning of the phrase is, out of these three, the correct one is the fox could not reach the grapes. Okay. What is the correct answer? This one, C. the fox could not reach the grapes. Okay, clear? Come to the next. The next is the purple cluster means. This is also a phrase. So what is the meaning of this purple cluster? Purple cluster means the purple colored grapes. So out of these three, the correct one is B. The purple colored grapes. Purple cluster. Okay. Purple colored grapes. The next. The leaves were desperate and high because the fox was. Out of these three, the correct one, the leaves were desperate and high because the fox was extremely hungry and the grapes were very tempting. The answer is this one, A1. The leaves were desperate and high because the fox was extremely hungry and the grapes were very tempting. After that, let's come to the next one. Yes, we were on the third question. The leaves were desperate and high because the fox was extremely hungry and the grapes were very tempting. Okay, students, in this line, one new word is there for you, that is tempting. Okay, what is the meaning of tempting? The grapes were very attractive. Means the fox saw the grapes and wanted to eat them at the same time. Okay, very attractive. The fourth one, by seeing the grapes were sour, the fox meant. What was the meaning of the fox if he said that the grapes were sour? What he wanted to say? He wanted to say that the grapes were beyond his reach and he did not want to admit defeat. The answer is this. The B part is the answer. The grapes were beyond his reach. Beyond his reach means he could not reach, and he didn't want to admit defeat. He didn't want to admit that he had defeated. Means he could not reach the grapes. He could not reach the grapes. It was the reality, but still he didn't want to accept it. Okay, so this was the answer of question 4. I hope these are clear to you, the whole exercise. And in the exercise, that B1 part, look at the words at the end of each line. Do they rhyme? You are to tell the rhyming words. Do they rhyme with each other? Make a list of words that rhyme in poem. In this poem, if we come, see, one summer's day a fox was passing through an orchard. Faint, he was very hungry too. So you are to find the rhyming words in the poem, that the words that rhyme each other, who has same sound in the poem. When suddenly his keen eye chanced to fall. So in the poem you note down the last words. In the first line, through, then to, fall, wall, it, these are same, aim, same. I'm telling you, see, through, to, fall, wall. These four words are these, through and to. These are rhyming with each other. Fall, wall. These are also rhyming with each other. So in the same way, you are to find other words also in the poem and write that rhyme each other. Okay, it's clear. I hope you have understood well. So today we are going up to here. Do it well in your notebook.